article number 2, which is called the SF-10. Here's a picture for you. So this is the net peplum. These are the 6 kalyan provided with it, and you can see the handwork and the details. This is the body of the peplum. This is the back side of the body. These are the sleeves, which have pillar work at the bottom and sequences at the top. This is a contrast dupatta with 2-sided border and sequence work all around it. Back side of the kaliyan of the peplum. This is the trouser in JAMAWAR. And these are the embellishments that we provide along with it.